Well, ladies, it's that time. I just got back from the garden gathering some stuff. Let's make some cucumbers and onions. So first of all, I've sliced up me some cucumbers. Let me give you a little tip about if you're going somewhere to take this to like a pitch-in, maybe you're going to a women's business meeting or homemakers club or wherever you go. This is a little tip to help you do this last minute, because really these flavors need to get in there and marry each other a little bit. But if you don't have that kind of time, you're on short notice, you can peel your cucumber, and here's the kicker: take you a fork, run down this cucumber all the way around. This is going to help that vinegar and olive oil to get in there, and it'll take on the flavor faster. So let's cut that up. And as an added bonus, I think it gives it a little bit of prettiness. All right, get you some dill out of your garden. Get you some onions. If you like spicy stuff, get you some peppers. I got a little bit of homegrown celery leaves. I like to add a little vinegar, a little olive oil, and a lot of people add just a little bit of sugar. I'm using some local honey. Let's get that all up in there together. Little salt, little pepper, and look how beautiful. Let's go.